Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new shipment from TTD Eye, their new daily lenses, and I got 4 pairs from them in PR and I can't wait to show you how they look on my eyeballs. First off, let me show you what comes in the box. First we got a hello card, then we got a little mirror, we got cute little glitters in moon shape and stickers, as well as a leaflet with instructions on it. And then here are the packagings from the daily lenses. I think it's super cute. On the back we got lots of info. The first style is black tea brown and you got 5 pairs in this and they fit on each other really nicely like this. You just rip one off from each side and it's really easy to open them. Then you just put it on your finger because there are no tools provided, but I think it's really easy to put it in your eyeball with a finger anyway. So this is a style on only one eye and this is really my eye color but better, truly. So here it is on both eyes and yeah, I was really happy with this style. It followed my eyes really well and I think it has a very natural effect, really perfect for on the daily. So to take them out, I just use my fingers as well and I just press it to the side and then pinch it out. The next style is citrus brown green and these look very promising. Again, putting it in my eye with my finger and I think this green brown is just perfect. It's really the perfect kind of natural green eyes that I long for. So I'm super happy with this. Follow my eyes really well, as you can tell, and yeah, I was really feeling this. I think it complements any look so well and I can't wait to wear these out. The next style is Champs Pink and these have a dark limbo ring. I picked this because I thought it was gonna be really cool for makeup looks and they really enlarge my eye. Actually, I don't find them like to be too pink. They could be really natural still. So yeah, I was kind of obsessing over these because it just fits my brown eyes really well and I would really recommend this if you have brown eyes too. The style is super cute, but it still has some edge to it and I love that. Next we have Obsidian Grey and these are like a nice lighter natural gray apparently. I had a little bit of issue putting them in my eye. I don't know exactly why, but like on one side, on my right side, it doesn't follow my eye really well, as you can tell. But other than that, I think this is the most beautiful gray. Again, super natural on brown eyes and I would really recommend this again if you have brown eyes like me. I want to thank TTDEYE for sending me these styles. I love them. And yeah, if you want to get 10% off, then you can use my code. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Hope you all are well and see you next time. Bye!